welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella-the-Actuary, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving a home office tour. Because I work from home as an actuarial analyst, I spend a lot of time in my office. When I started my job, I knew I'd be working over 40 hours in my office every week, so I wanted to make sure that when it came time to set up this office, that it was conducive to both working my full-time job and for studying for my actuarial exams. A lot of the things that I'll show in this video, I actually got from Amazon, kind of like this light back here. So I'll be sure to put the links in the description below if you want to create your own home office. Let's go. So over here is my desk area. You can see that I have a giant monitor over here, which was kindly provided to me by my employer. And it is really nice because not only is it huge, but it can be turned around. So if I wanted to sit somewhere else, I can turn it. You can also move it up and down, and it's curved, which supposedly helps your eyes. I also have a speaker to help with sounds because the work laptop that I got, their speakers weren't working completely. Then over here is my work laptop. Over here I have a little coaster for my water bottle, and then down here is my desk space. I just turned the flash on so it's easier to see, but I got this placemat from Amazon to help my wrist from hurting when I'm using the mouse all the time, and also from typing on the keyboard. Just below this desk, I keep my calculator and my pencil, and when it's time to study for exams, I also keep my study materials and notebooks down here. In this little compartment, I have some headphones. And then in this compartment is where I keep all my little fidget toys. I have my chapstick, I have a squishy ball, I have a poppet, and I have a fidget spinner. And last but not least, on my desk, I have this lamp, which I absolutely love because it is super convenient and there are so many modes and it's really adjustable. Like I can move these arms side to side. The whole thing can be moved up and down. And then it comes with this little remote. So I can just press the on button and it turns on. You can change the color temperature, so you can make the lighting warmer or cooler depending on what you prefer. You can make it really, really bright. You can set it to night light, which I will often use when I am studying just because it provides just enough light to see the notes on my notebook pages. So this light is definitely one of my favorite purchases from Amazon, would highly recommend. Moving on, I just have to talk about this desk in general. So this whole desk, this white part and this wood part, I actually had to assemble. It's a really nice desk. I like that there are compartments to keep your different stuff in and that this is raised so that I'm not looking down the whole workday. I'm actually looking up at my computer. The desk also comes with two hooks on the side, so I keep my headphones on this side, and then on this side I keep this little remote. And you're probably like, what is this remote for? Well, I'm glad to tell you. Over here, if I move my office chair out of the way, you can see my treadmill. If you watched my day in the life as an actual analyst video, I know that I showed a video of me walking on it, but since then I have really not used it, and I think it was because I was just studying so much for my exam and I really like to just sit on my desk and work, so I haven't used it in a while. But I do really love the treadmill. And if you are looking for something to help you be more active during the workday, I'd highly recommend. It can go super fast, but just be careful because it is very easy to slip off the end. I have done that a few times. I have these two lights on the side here that are set to pink right now that I got as a set from Amazon. And then actually under my desk, I put on some LED lights. But what I really like about these lights is that I can change the color with this remote. So I can do any color that I want. It also has a disco mode. If I ever want to party while I'm studying, I can put these on. I think they would be a little bit distracting if I'm actually trying to study, but it would be great for a house party if actuaries ever had any of those. If you are someone who's interested in becoming an actuary and are looking to develop your skills, I would highly recommend checking out the sponsors of today's video, Brilliant. Brilliant is where you learn by doing, with thousands of interactive lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI, all of which are important skills for an actuary. You can do fun lessons anywhere, anytime, whether you're on the way to class or home alone on a Saturday night, wondering how you can land that actual internship. But my actual favorite part about Brilliant is that they have lessons in large language models. So if you have any interest in learning about AI and how it works behind behind the scenes, I think this is a really cool opportunity to learn. So to try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, you can scan the QR code on the screen here. You can visit brilliant.org/Bella or click the link in the description box below this video. With those links, you can get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Back to the video. I'm gonna keep the party lights on because I think they're kind of cool right now. But I also got this office chair from like a furniture warehouse and it's super comfy. I have this comfy sweatshirt that I will sometimes wear if I get cold. And a few people have thought that I actually have a fuzzy chair because when I'm working on my computer and I'm in a meeting, I'll just have like the upper half of my body on camera. And so they'll just see this and think I have a giant fuzzy chair. And then over here is like my little workout station. And then in here is one of my favorite parts about the office. I call this the magical closet because when I go in and when I come out, I look like two different people. I've told a lot of my coworkers about the magical closet. It's where I will change just my top for a meeting. So usually when I'm working from home, I'll just be in my pajamas or like a sweatshirt like this. But then if I have an important meeting or I need to be on call with multiple other people, I will just go into this closet and put on one of my work shirts. So I'll just choose one of these, put it on quick, take my meeting, and then put it back when I'm done with the meeting. And then lastly, besides the shelves that I have over here, mainly for storage, I also have a vision board over here with some of my favorite stickers and some of my favorite quotes and goals for the year. So I like to look at this during the workday just to keep myself motivated to achieve my goals. That is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little office that I use to work from home as an actuarial analyst. And if you have anything cool in your home office, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.